Hey, what's up guys? We are going to be making yummy and sweet egusi soup, and the swallow that we are going to be using to eat it is apple, fufu, 6 to 6. Abeg, let's go and prepare it because there is no time to check time. One love guys. Right door here. My onions. My tin tomatoes. My fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, and crayfish grounded together. Now see am now. Area. Guys, now Igbo style egusi now I want cook today. Igbo style with egg. With egg inside egusi. This is my first time of trying it and I really love it. I want to do it this way. I'm missing the egg inside the egusi. Okay, let's make this yummy. Area mama. Hey. Guys, this egusi, I put egg inside because now it's not Igbo people egusi now I want cook today. Igbo people egusi, that is what I want to cook with 2 eggs inside the egusi. I mix it together. Then let's do it that way. This is my first time of cooking it like this. Wait. Don't worry, when you burn finish, you let me know. It is time for me to put our pomo so that our pomo can cook very well. Because me, I'm not too much like pomo when to cook. Then let us put our periwinkle. And I also put inside. This is dry periwinkle. I soaked it yesterday. I washed it thoroughly. We want to start to put our maggi, salt, everything on a table. I know they like too much salt for soup, or any food. Now small, kule. Make we turn out. The aroma not be here. Already, this fish has been washed. I frozen them. I don't wash them, clean them, do everything before I defrosing them. So let the snake go inside. Okay, make we put our bitter leaf. I wash this bitter leaf frozen now, but they frozen, so make we put her like that. Then make we put our ring, a shaki. Everything on everything able because I want everything to cook now. No time to check time. Then we put our dry fish inside. Last point is last onions. Hey, area mama. See my egusi. Hey, wait, the we have to make our fufu. Now can the damn fufu. This is the finish of our soup. Guys, how na see this soup? Abby, periwinkle, snake, abodi shaki, fresh fish, dry fish. Everything is inside this 1 pot of soup with egg, 2 eggs. Oh wow! But I really love the taste. This taste, I've been craving for this taste of egusi for many years now, and this is how Igbo people cook their egusi with egg, and I really love it.